There's a lot of information on the table here. The Action 5 Pro, no battery. What we're going to do is show you with a AC 65 watt brick. I'm going to plug it into a power bank. I'm going to turn on the AC. I'm going to plug in just a battery cable. It goes to the USB-A port. I'm going to plug it into the USB-C port. If we don't see anything within 5 seconds of DJI, it won't work. We have DJI, and we're working. So we know this cable works and the camera works. I'm going to put this cable to the side. I'm going to go do USB-C to C. Plug it in. Within 5 seconds or so, we get the dim, brightness, and the video, the live feed. We're working. I'm going to pull this off, just leave it on to the battery of the power bank. I'm going to do the same thing again. Take the bottom port. I'm going to plug it in, USB-C. Within 5 seconds, we should get the camera to come on. We had the camera come on, but failure. May do that one more time. It's repeating. And it's just going to repeat. I'm going to pull it out and go to the one above. Not all power bank USB-A ports will work. It has to have a minimum requirement. We have light. On and off it goes. So this does not work. I'm going to shut off the power source. You can read that for me. I can't see what it says. And that's failure. We got one more to try. And that'd be USB-C to C. I'm going to plug in the USB-C to C. Within 5 seconds, it should come on. And this one, here we go. Lights up bright and works. So this one works, except for the USB-A ports. We have this one here from this company, work. What we're going to do now is go to this power bank. And we're going to do the same thing with the first cable, USB-C. It acknowledges in percentage. We may see a flicker and a flicker only. We have acknowledgement. It works. If I go to the next one, it'll do the same thing and work. I'm going to disconnect. I'm going to do one more. USB-C, PD20 to USB-C, and we'll get it to work. We're working, but I'm not hitting the record or the shutter. We'll do that at the very end. This is one more that's a cable. It is PD20 cables with a lot of power, and it'll work within 5 seconds or so. So now this power bank, this is the company. You can read the company's name. And we're going to do the last one. This is my favorite power bank. We have a USB-A port, USB-C, plug it in. We have 0.2, 0.3, 0.2. Maybe we'll see the camera come on, and maybe we'll see it work. No, not all USB-A ports work. It repeats, and that's what we're going to get here. But it does fluctuate in power, as you see. So I no longer need to be using this cable, or I could try a different cable. The next one will be USB-C, PD20, to USB-C. When it hits 0.3 amps, it'll turn on. That should work. It may or may not work. It's funny how it's not showing any voltage or working correctly. Now it's showing the voltage. It's fluctuating. And the camera comes on. I'm able to hit the record button and record video. I'm able to stop and stop video, and I'm able to shut off, and I'm able to hit the shutter button and not get video this time round. But it will come on. I'm going to remove the USB-C to C cable, and the last one I'll be doing is USB-C wired into the power bank. And when I do this, plug it in, you'll see that the voltage is 0.2, 0.3, comes on, and fluctuates in different voltages. I'm able to come to the camera and record. I'm able to stop my video. I'm able to shut down my camera. And I'm able to come here, as long as I got the screen on, record video. I made this video for Ohio Fred, not knowing that you can take the battery out, use particular or certain power banks, bricks. Some may work, some ports may not work, and some may work 100%.